Hi everyone, I am Bhavna, 4th semester, Electronics and Communication Department of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today, let us deal with the subject Digital Signal Processing. In that, let us deal with the topic different file formats of image, audio, and video. Introduction. What is a file format? A file format is a standard way that information is encoded for storage in a computer file. A file format specifies how bits are used to encode information in a digital storage medium. File formats may be either priority for free and may be either unpublished or open. For example, image file format, audio file format, video file format, and text formats. Types of file formatting. There are four types, which are image file format, audio file format, video file format, and text format. The first one was image file format. Image formats bring different way to overcome the problem of delivering an image with reduced file size and minimum download time. Image file formats are standardized means of organizing and storing digital images. Image files are composed of digital data in one of these formats that can be realized for use of a computer display or printer. An image file format may store data in uncompressed, comprised, or vector forms. Once realized, an image becomes a rigid of pixels, each of which has a number of bits to distinguish its color equal to color depth of the device displaying it. Types of image formats. There are three types, which are GIP, JPEG, and PNG. GIP stands for Graphic Interchange Format, uses lossless compression technique, supports 8-bit color, supported by all the browsers, suitable for text, artwork, icons and cartoons, large file size and extension in GIF. Second one was JPEG, stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. Uses lossy compression technique, supports 24-bit color, supported by all browser, suitable for photographies, smaller file size as compared to GIF, extension is JPG or JPEG. The third one was PNG, stands for Portable Network Graphics. Uses the lossless compression in technique, which supports 24 bits colors but not supported by all browsers, suitable for text, icons, etc. Smaller file size as compared to GIF, and JPEG extension is PNG. The second thing was audio file format. It's a second type of file format. An audio file format is a file format for storing the digital audio data on a computer system. This data can be stored uncompressed or compressed to reduce the file size. It can be a raw bit stream, but it is usually a container format or an audio data format with defined storage layer. Types of audio file format. They are MPEG, WAVE, MIDI, WMA, AIFF, AAC are the types of audio file formats. The first thing is MPEG, stands for Moving Picture Experts Group. MPEG files employ loss data compression. MPEG files uses the MP3 file format extension. Digital music, podcast, and audiobooks are often saved as MPEG-3 files. Older MPEG files are usually destinated with an extension of MP2. Older MPEG files are usually destinated with an extension of MP2. 1 minute of music takes up approximately 1 MB of storage space. The second thing is WAVE, stands for Resource Interchange File Format. WAV files employ an uncompressed audio format. WAV uses WAV file name extensions. This file format is Prosperity format that was sponsored jointly by Microsoft and IBM. The WAV format can support both monaural and stereo audio. 1 minute of stereo music takes up approximately 10 MB of storage space. The third thing is MIDI, which stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interference. MIDI files are very small but are not compressed. They are uses MID or MIDI file name extensions. A MIDI file is not a recording of music being played, it is a description of how to create the sound based on predefined sounds like a 6-string guitar or pipe organ. A MIDI radio recording never contains the human voice. A 10 KB, that is a thing but 10,000 storage locations, MIDI file could easily hold more than a minute of music. The fourth thing is MWA, which stands for Windows Media Audio. MWA file format uses a loss compression developed by Microsoft and is widely recognized by a variety of players and the jog boxes like VM and Music Match. Windows Media Audio Files uses a WMA file name extension. It is non-proprietary MP3 format for saving and storing the music files. The fifth thing is AIFF, which stands for Audio Integrated File Format. AIFF uses the AIFF file extension. AIFF is a native audio file format developed by Apple for the Microsoft Computer platform. It is an uncomprised audio format. This means that it is such a large in the file size that MP3 but can support the higher possible audio recording quantity as well as a lower quantity settings. AIFF can support the music from the higher quantity 48K recording through the lower quantity recording. The fifth thing is AAC, which stands for the Advanced Audio Coding. AAC is a standardized loss compression. It uses the .AAC file extension intended to be a successor to MP3 format. AAC generally has better audio quantity and it is a default format for many digital audio players like the iPod, iPhone, iPad, Nintendo DS and the others. The next file format is video file format. Video file format is consist of two types, analog and digital. Example of these formats is MPEG, MOV, AVI, WMV, Real Video and SWF. These are the example of the video file formats. Types of video file formats, which includes MPEG, MOV, AVI, WMV, Real Video and SWF. The first thing is MPEG, which stands for Motion Picture Experts Group. MPEG files are also a common format for digital video and movies. It uses the file name extension of .mpeg or .mpeg. The latest MPEG version, MPEG-4, uses the .mp4 file format file name extension. The second thing is MOV, which stands for QuickTime Movie. The QuickTime video and the movie file format are organized originally developed for the Apple Mac, but MOV is now recognized by all the personal computers. QuickTime Movies uses the .mov file extension. .quick-t file format extension uses an alternative. The third thing is AVI, which stands for Audio or Video Interleave. AVI video and movie file format was originally developed by Microsoft for Windows-based personal computers. It uses the .avi file frame extension. It is a nominal standard for personal computers using the Windows. The fourth thing is WMV, which stands for the Windows Media Video. WMV file format are priority to Microsoft license product. WMV are not widely recognized by non-Windows players. Windows Media Video files uses .wmv file name extension. Files stored in this format are extended to the played, not edited. The fifth thing is Real Video. Real Video is a proprietary file format. It uses .rm or .ram or .ra as a file extension used mainly for real-time streaming of audio and video. It reduces Real Player, Window and MAV software. So these are the four types of the file formatting, which includes image file format, audio file format, video file format and text format. So these are the various types of the file formats. Thank you all. Thank you for the session. Thank you.